Are you longing for an exciting Portland metro area church that values God's presence more than a comfortable pew? Did you know that church is really about worshiping and praising God rather than focusing on a man in the pulpit? How would you like a church where you can supernaturally encounter Jesus Christ and also hear rich sermons that'll help build your faith? If you'd like to encounter God in a real way, then I encourage you to come to Destiny Christian Fellowship. It's only a short drive away, and even if you have to put some miles on your car to get to our fun church, please remember, the church that is alive is worth the drive. We'd like to show you lots of love and appreciation when you show up for one of our dynamic worship services that are always special. So come and enjoy our church where time consciousness disappears as the Holy One is enthroned on the praises of His people. Click on the website that's displayed below this video so you can get a map and directions to our location. We would love to see you next Sunday. Oh, and one more thing. Don't forget to check our church calendar because we have some special spiritual events throughout the week so you can be blessed.